If you've ever worked with Wipeout in AutoCAD, you've probably noticed those boundary lines showing up when you don't want them to. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to hide wipeout lines in AutoCAD quickly and easily. This is a simple trick, but it can make your drawings look much cleaner and more professional. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips and shortcuts. Now let's get into it. First, open AutoCAD and load the drawing you want to work on. This can be any file where you already have a wipeout object inserted or one where you're planning to use one. Once your drawing is open, go to the command line at the bottom of the screen. This is where you will enter the setting that controls how wipeout frames are displayed. Type WIPEOUTFRAME and press enter. AutoCAD will ask you for a value, and this value controls whether the wipeout boundary is visible or hidden. If you want to completely hide the wipeout boundary, type 0 and press enter. This is the setting most people use when they want the wipeout lines gone from view and from print output. Once set to 0, the wipeout boundary will not display on screen and it will not plot either. This is the easiest option if you want a clean presentation and you don't need to see the frame for editing. It's especially useful when preparing final drawings, client sheets, or presentation files where visible wipeout borders would look distracting. Now, AutoCAD also gives you two optional values in case you need more control. If you enter one and press enter, the wipeout frame will show on screen and it will also print. This can be useful if you want to see the boundary clearly while editing or if you need it to appear in your plotted drawing. If you enter 2 and press enter, the wipeout frame will show on screen but it will not print. This is a great middle ground option if you want to keep the frame visible for working purposes but still keep it out of the final output. So the quick summary is this. Use a 0 to hide the wipeout frame completely, use 1 to show and print it, and use 2 to show it on screen only. For most users who want to hide wipeout lines in AutoCAD, the best choice is 0. If you want to double check the result, simply look back at your drawing after changing the value. The wipeout boundary should no longer be visible if you selected 0. And if you ever need to bring it back later, you can repeat the same command and change the value again. That's all there is to it. In just a few seconds, you can hide wipeout lines in AutoCAD and keep your drawings looking clean and polished. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AutoCAD tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.